Good day and welcome to my channel. One more time, Income Up Premium. Here we discuss how to make money online, especially through cryptocurrency. Today, due to popular demand, I want to do a short tutorial on Pixelverse. Pixelverse on how to claim your daily combo on Pixelverse. This bot is a very popular one, and we believe it's going to cook just as we have the Notcoin. And we just have few weeks to the end of the mining. So please take it very seriously. Take it very, very seriously. So what we're going to do, we can tap from this interface. We can tap, but they have made it easier just for us to click just below it, and we're able to claim all the accumulated coins. This boat is very easy. You don't need to continue to tap. It doesn't even have a boat, tap boat that will be helping you to tap when you are asleep. But when you just come up to the interface here, all you just need to do is to claim. But for the daily combo, all you need to do is to tap on the reward. Below here at the extreme right, tap on the reward. You can see that in the interface, there are two yellow points here where you can claim or play. The first one is daily reward. I have been claiming that. I think I have claimed, today is the first day of the under circle. I have claimed for 7 days. Now, let me go back to the combo, the daily combo. All you just need to do is to click back on that play. You can see that there's play here. You click on it. When you click on it, you can see the daily combo. All you just need to do is to click on play. So from their YouTube channel, from their website, they do release these images that you need to tag or pick up to these 4 boxes. And when you're able to get them right, it will give you congratulations, and they'll be able to award you your daily combo. So, but for those of you in my WhatsApp group, I do release it every day. So if you are not in my WhatsApp group, just check, click on the description of this video. You will see the link. And perhaps if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, do wait to subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I come up with video like this, you'll be notified. And also please help me to give it a thumbs up. Like the video so that more people can come across it. Now what you need to do, we can see that we have about 12 images here. So, but we just need 4. So what we're going to do, we're going to see it here now that it has been released. This is the daily combo images that we need to move to those boxes in order to make it 4 and be able to claim the combo. So you can see it from this interface. You can see that these first 2 may look alike, but they are not exactly alike. So you have to really watch out to make sure that it's the one you are picking. So let's go for the first one. First one here, you can see it. This is the first one. You can see the difference. Then the second one, you can see this is the second one. You can see that they look alike, but there's a slight difference at the top. Then let's look at the third one. The third one, okay, third one and fourth one. All right. You can only come back to make sure you've picked the right one. So from this interface, let's look very carefully. I think it should be this. That is the one. Then the last one, we'll go back again to check. Okay. Yeah, let's check. There's green. I think you can look at it carefully. I think this should be the last one. This is a live demo. I'm going to be checking to know whether I've got it right or not. So let me click on check. Once you have picked the 4 and you are very sure, to check. So let's click on check to be sure. Oh, congratulations. I've been given 252,000 daily combo. So I'm going to claim it. I click on claim. Oh, sorry for that. There's one. This third one was not the right one. You can see it. So please take note of that. You can see this one that is showing red. I was only awarded for the other 3. So maybe because it's a live combo, I've always got it. I've never made this kind of mistake. So please take note of this. So we're going to claim it anyway. We're claiming it. So it is added already to my total. You can see even in the process of trying to do the daily claiming, this place is accumulating. This interface is already accumulating coins. So all you need to do is to claim. That's all. Always try your best to be here at least within 3 hours to claim these coins instead of you just tapping it. So one more time, thank you for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you are here for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification button. Thank you, and remain blessed.